Join me as I put the latest smart drones to the ultimate test. Today, we'll see if these cutting-edge machines can perform some mind-blowing tricks, all without any human help. Are you ready for a deep dive into the future of drone technology? Let's get started. Drones have come a long way since their early days as simple flying gadgets. Back then, they were fun, but their capabilities were limited. Fast forward to today, and we're looking at a completely different playing field. Drones are no longer just tools for hobbyists or filmmakers. They're evolving into highly sophisticated machines capable of performing tasks we never imagined possible. This transformation is not just fascinating, it's reshaping industries across the globe. But what's driving this evolution? It's the relentless march of innovation. AI-powered systems, better materials, advanced sensors, and cutting-edge computer vision are pushing drone technology to a level that feels straight out of science fiction. These smart drones are turning heads in the tech world, and I'm excited to explore just how far we've come. Traditional drones have been incredibly useful, especially for capturing breathtaking aerial footage or conducting routine inspections. But let's be honest, they've got their limitations. These drones rely heavily on human control, which introduces the risk of error. They struggle in dynamic or unpredictable environments. They can't adapt to changing weather conditions or navigate through complex terrain. And for certain critical applications, these limitations can be downright dangerous. For example, in search and rescue missions, speed and precision can be the difference between life and death. Traditional drones might be able to fly over debris fields, but they can't intelligently navigate through them, identify survivors, or communicate effectively with rescue teams. In agriculture, drones are used for tasks like crop monitoring, but they fall short when it comes to detecting nuanced changes in crop health or responding to sudden weather shifts. And let's not forget their drawbacks. They're often bulky, noisy, and expensive. Operating them usually requires training, and their safety records still leave room for improvement. It's clear that to unlock the full potential of drones, we need a new generation, smarter, safer, and more autonomous drones. The current state of drones reminds me of the early days of personal computing. Back then, computers were massive, slow, and cost a fortune. But they laid the foundation for the sleek, powerful devices we use today. Similarly, the challenges we face with traditional drones are sparking a wave of innovation, and what's emerging is nothing short of remarkable. The real magic lies in artificial intelligence. Smart drones are equipped with AI-powered systems that can process massive amounts of data in real time. This allows them to think, learn, and adapt on the fly. For instance, they can identify objects, calculate flight paths, and even predict obstacles before they encounter them. Modern drones are equipped with state-of-the-art sensors like LiDAR, radar, and high-definition cameras. These sensors give drones a 360-degree view of their surroundings, allowing them to navigate with pinpoint accuracy. They can detect everything from power lines to moving vehicles, ensuring safe and efficient operation. Advancements in battery technology and material science are giving drones longer flight times and greater durability. Lighter, stronger materials mean drones can carry heavier payloads or travel further without sacrificing performance. Building smarter drones isn't without its hurdles. One of the biggest challenges is enabling real-time decision-making. For a drone to operate autonomously, it needs to process an incredible amount of information in a fraction of a second. This requires powerful processors, sophisticated algorithms, and seamless integration between hardware and software. Another challenge is ensuring safety and reliability. Autonomous drones must be able to navigate unpredictable environments. Think crowded cities, dense forests, or disaster zones. They need to avoid obstacles, adapt to weather changes, and communicate with other devices and systems, all without human input. In disaster zones, drones equipped with thermal imaging and AI can locate survivors faster than traditional rescue teams. They can fly through rubble, detect heat signatures, and even deliver emergency supplies to areas that are otherwise inaccessible. Smart drones are revolutionizing farming. They can monitor large fields, detect pests, assess soil health, and even spray crops with precision, reducing waste and improving yields. Companies like Amazon and Zipline are leveraging smart drones for package delivery. These drones can plan efficient routes, avoid obstacles, and deliver items faster and with less environmental impact than traditional delivery methods. In wildlife conservation, drones are being used to track animal movements, monitor poaching activity, and even plant trees in reforestation efforts. Their ability to cover vast areas quickly makes them an invaluable tool for environmental protection. Let me show you just how capable these smart drones are. Recently, I tested a drone that could autonomously follow a target. It didn't just stay on track. It adapted to every twist and turn, avoiding obstacles seamlessly. Watching it in action was like watching the future unfold before my eyes. The rise of smart drones isn't just about cool tech. It's about transforming how we work, live, and create. These drones are reducing costs, improving efficiency, and opening doors to applications we never thought possible. From autonomous delivery to environmental conservation, the potential is limitless. Smarter drones are a game changer. They're faster, safer, and more capable than ever before. And as this technology continues to evolve, the possibilities are endless. I'm excited to see how these advancements will shape our future. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of the latest in drone technology. If you've got thoughts, questions, or your own drone stories, let's hear them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next dive into the world of tech innovation. See you in the next video.